nila ang kapangyarihan. Ayaw nilang ipatanggal ang cancer na yan. Pero kayo ang magbibistulang doktor para kayo na alis ang cancer na yan.
Marcos alis dyan! Marcos alis dyan! Marcos alis dyan! Marcos alis dyan! Cancer!
Oo, nandiyan na.
Yun naman po ang aming nalalaman solusyon sa ating problema ngayon. At uhugot tayo ng karunungan, ng wisdom from the Constitution, because the Constitution has already provided for a solution.
Yes!
The Constitution has provided for a designated survival.
The Vice President is the legitimate successor to the office of the President when the President fails to discharge his duties and functions.
Noong ako'y matapos akong operahan, after 2 days nirelease na ako ng doktor. Ang sabi niya, walang chemotherapy, walang radiation, walang medication. Yan din po ang aabutin natin. Hindi na natin kailangan ang solusyon dahil yan ay nasa konstitusyon.
Malinaw.
Malinaw na malinaw na in the case of death, incapacity, resignation, overdose,
Betrayal of public trust.
o kudeta,
People power.
o people power. Meron po tayong rule of succession.
Yes.
Yan po ay hindi spare tire. That is the wisdom of the people who drafted our Constitution. So our remedy, Mr. Nick Elman, is a constitutional remedy. Maraming salamat.
Mabuhay ang kalinawan.
The right of the people to revolution.
The right of the people to change this government is incumbent and sovereign upon the people.
Yes.
Last 2 questions po. Dahil upos na ang lumpia at pansit. Yes, Brother Bemo.